Hello, hello. Thank you for cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. And we are here to go over our homemade blue cheese dressing, everybody. And the additional surprise, we have a vegan dressing right after this first one here, the homemade dressing. But I just want to say, here's the simple recipes, like sour cream and mayonnaise and lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cheese, blue cheese crumbles as well. And also some fresh chives. That's, only if you want it. But, you can do it the way how you really like to have it. One thing about blue cheese dressing is sometimes it's really thick and sometimes it's thin. Well, this one's thick. We like ours thick. So this is how we do it. We're going to have it also shown with our fried basa fish and scrimps that we made previously posted before this video. So if you guys want to go look at that and get a more view of the salad, take a look at that. Now look at that. Isn't that delicious? Now here's for the vegan lovers. Yes, you guys, we haven't forgot about you. Healthy ways of doing it. Here's a good recipe here. Some people use the tofu. They use sometimes use miso. We have the vegan mayonnaise, and that's a good thing that they can use, so it can be kind of thick as well. They use dairy milk or whatever they would decide what kind of special milk they need. But you can get fancy with it. You know what? We have a lot more recipes shared in our cookbook of Mama Soul Kitchen that's available on Amazon.com, and also Just Dessert Child. Yes, Just Dessert Child for all the sweet lovers that have a sweet tooth, are all available on Amazon. Get your books today.